Hey guys, I thought I'd go live really quick. I don't do this very often on my Facebook feed for the whole world to see, but I just discovered something really cool today with my Tupperware stuff. So I was trying to make a pumpkin pie, and I hate making pumpkin pies from scratch because it takes forever to cook the pumpkins, and who has the time to sit and cook your pumpkins forever? I mean, some people do, but I don't. So I discovered that if you put your pumpkin in the Tupperware pressure cooker and put it in the microwave for 10 minutes, it's flipping awesome. So all I did is this is a half of a pumpkin. It's huge. So I already did the first half. This will be the second half, but I just like quartered it, just put it in here. No water, nothing. And I'm gonna put my lid on it. Get the lid on there. Okay, so it twists closed. Then it also has a safety lock. And it works just like a pressure cooker, except for you put it in the microwave. So I'm gonna put this guy in the microwave for 10 minutes. And then it'll take like 5 minutes to depressurize. And then when you pull it out, which I got so excited, you guys, I couldn't help it. But when I pulled it out, it like fell apart. So all you can see is the skin's peeled off. I hate using a spoon and trying to like scrape the pulp out of my pumpkins because A, they're hot, and that's just stupid tedious. But look how cool these pumpkin skins are. And they just like fell off of there after 10 minutes in the microwave. Isn't that cool? And then I put it into a bowl and I just mashed it up, and I have like this perfect pumpkin pulp ready to make a pie. So anyway, the Tupperware pressure cooker never ceases to amaze me. The more and more I use it, the more and more I love it. Anyway, that's all I had. Hope you guys have a great day. Happy pumpkin pie day. Bye.